This is week 5, spelling, lesson 34. Today we are doing our Thursday words. So if we'll notice in our Thursday words, they're all going to have a very similar sound to them. So let's take a peek at them first. So you've got the word nation, national, position, invitation, education, constitution, mention. So that one's a little bit off. So if you notice, they all say shun. So shun is the T-I-O-N rule. So this is where T-I-O-N makes the shun sound. Nation, national, position, invitation, education, constitution, and then we have mention. So the definitions for these words are, we have the word nation. So a nation is a large body of people united by a common descent, history, culture, or language. Our example is the nation had to work together to figure out what laws were necessary to keep everyone safe. Our next word is the word national. So national is relating to a nation, common to or characteristics of a whole nation. Example, it was a national law that everyone had to wear seatbelts when driving. So everybody in the whole country of the United States have to wear a seatbelt when driving a car. Our next word is position. So a position is a place where someone or something is located or has been put. So our example is the coordinates gave the position of where the boat was located in the ocean. Our next word is the word invitation. So an invitation is a written or verbal request inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. So our example is an invitation went out to everyone in the class for a birthday party. Our next word that we have is the word education. So education is the theory or practice of teaching and learning. So our example is getting a good education is an important part of your childhood. Our next word that we have is constitution. So constitution is a body of fundamental principles according to which a state or country is to be governed. So our example is the United States Constitution told what rights the citizens of the United States have. And remember, we learned about the Constitution this week in our social studies, so you should already know what this is. And our last word is mention. So mention means to refer to something briefly without going into detail. Our example is she forgot to mention that the gate was locked to get into the park.